Welcome back to Geometric Design of Highway. In this lecture, I will go through the side distance. Side distance is the length of highway visible ahead to the driver for the safe and efficient operation of vehicle. Side distance depends on road condition with restriction such as in a horizontal curve. This is a horizontal curve and the two vehicles are in opposite direction, then a safe side distance should be, if this is a line of sight, and for the safety the driver of this vehicle should see this vehicle and vice versa, then the side distance is measured along the center of road, that is the side distance is along the distance of the road. This is in horizontal curve. Similarly, in vertical summit curve, this is the vertical summit curve. A vehicle is traveling through the vertical summit curve and obstruction is there, and the side distance should be from this to this, that is a line of sight. Similarly, in at intersection, this is the four leg intersection, two vehicles coming from this leg and another in this leg, then the safe distance or side distance should be, this is the line of sight and the side distance should be, side distance for this vehicle for this direction, side distance is this and side distance for vehicle this. Therefore, total side distance for the intersection, that is the summation of side distance of first vehicle up to intersection and the side distance of second vehicle up to the intersection. And types of side distance: first, stopping side distance, that is SSD; safe overtaking or passing distance, that is the overtaking side distance; then safe side distance for entering uncontrolled intersection. These are the three types of intersection. As you follow IRC, IRC has recommended three different types of side distance. First one is intermediate side distance, which is the equal to twice of stopping side distance, that is for opportunity to fast vehicle to overtake where no overtaking distance is provided. Second is headlight side distance. Headlight side distance is the distance visible to a driver during night driving under the illumination of vehicle headlights. Then stopping side distance. Minimum side distance available on a highway at any spot should be sufficient to stop vehicle traveling at design speed safely without collision with any other obstruction. The absolute minimum side distance is equal to stopping side distance. Side distance depends on different features like height of the driver eyes, height of the object above the road surface that can be seen by the driver. IRC has recommended the standard height of driver eyes is 1.2 meter and the minimum height of object that can be seen by the driver is 0.15 meter, whereas NRS has recommended height of driver eyes at 1 meter and height of object that can be seen by the driver equals to 0.1 meter. And the governing factors of side distance are total reaction time TR, speed of the vehicle, efficiency of brakes, frictional resistance, and gradient, that is a longitudinal slope I. The main governing factors of side distance is total reaction time. Total reaction time of a driver is the time taken from the instant the object is visible to the driver to the instant the brakes are effectively applied. That is, TR equals to TP plus TB, where TP is the perception time, TB is the braking time. The reaction time can be described in PIEP theory, where P is the perception. Perception is the time for sensation by eyes and transmission to the brain from the nervous system. This is not a basin, this is the brain. That is the perception, that is the information is transferred to the brain. After then, I, intellection. Intellection is the time to understand the situation, whether the situation is hampering the driving or not. Then E, emotion. Emotional sensation and disturbances such as fear, anger, emotional feelings, and etc. That is the I and E. That is intellection and emotion are the reaction occurs in brain. This is the brain of a human. After then, violation. Violation means time taken from final decision. That is whether the condition disturbed the driving or not. Then the final time taken to react the situation is a violation. This is the violation. Then there is also next parameter, that is reflex action, that is occurs simultaneously. Normal total reaction time is taken as 0.5 seconds for simple situation to 3 to 4 seconds for a more complex situation. If you like this tutorial or lectures, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more lectures, tutorial, solution. Thank you.